Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to give you a little update on the portfolio and kind of what's going on today. So absolutely got smacked in the market today. As you can see, we were down at $1,700, almost 5% in the portfolio. That was very scary, but no, we bounced back almost 3% above that, down $300, and then now we're sitting at just down 2.64%. Very rough day, not the best. Just wanted to give you guys a little update, but yeah, just wanted to kind of go through my holdings as well. I mean, it was an interesting day also because what happened basically is the Nvidia, some company came out and said that they only used a certain amount of Nvidia chips and it was cheaper than they thought it would be. And the demand, people think, basically the gist is people think the demand is going to go down for Nvidia's AI chips and just AI chips in general. So that's why AMD fell a lot on that news. Actually, not beautiful. Yeah, no, AMD definitely took a very big fall, and that's what hurt my portfolio a lot. Yeah, we're down almost 5% today on that, but I actually did make some moves today. As you guys may have saw a second ago, I bought an option. We'll get into that in a second, but I actually sold all of my Nvidia position, and then I sold $500 worth of my SCHG, just ETF I have that I've been holding for a while. Just sold $500 worth, liquidated it. But this is the play that I made today. Bought a call on Nvidia. This call was down 61% today. It is a $120 call. It's at the $120 strike price, and let's see. Yeah, today's return. That was, luckily I did not incur that. Thank you. But total return $0. I bought it pretty close to close. And yeah, I bought it. It's expiring in exactly a month, February 28th. And as we can see, let's check Nvidia stock price. So yeah, this is the reason that I bought it actually. As we can see, Nvidia had a very harsh day today. They were down a lot, down 17%, I think, at the lowest point in the day actually. Something's being weird with the chart here on Robinhood, but oh, here it is. Yeah, Nvidia was down to 107. They were down a lot today. It was looking rough for Nvidia. But yeah, I mean, not a good day for them. And I thought, I think that this news isn't gonna hold up. I think that they're overblowing the news that they have. This is not this isn't as big of a thing as it's gonna end up being. And also, when stocks fall a lot, stocks of this size, I think I saw a fact actually, the stock dropped over $600 billion, the biggest single day loss in a company's market cap ever in the US stock exchange. But that's why I picked up this option. Now, this is a risky play. I don't suggest you guys do this, but I picked up this option. I see a lot of potential. I think the risk to reward is very much there. So yeah, I picked this up for $955 call option. As you can see, if we simulate my returns right now, I'm at almost 40% return simulated. If this holds up and Nvidia opens at this price tomorrow, I'm gonna sell out of the option 40% in, I don't know, 10 minutes. I can't complain. That's not something I'm gonna try to keep riding. That's something I'm gonna take. But yeah, I mean, with how it looks right now, I'm very happy with this play. But I mean, anything can happen overnight, especially with Nvidia. This stock can drop like tens of percentage points in one day, as you guys saw today. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty risky play that I actually got into. I don't usually do stuff like this, but I just saw the opportunity there and I had to take it. I mean, for Nvidia to drop like this and then for it to go down again the next day off of news like this as well, I just don't see it happening. So just had to take that play. And also, I'm thinking about taking a position in AMD, an option on that. I'm thinking of maybe getting a 2027 Leap. I'm not 100% sure, but These options dropped by almost 15% today, a lot of them around the 10% range. And I'm thinking if I could pick up one like this with the around 80% delta, 133 break even. I think, I mean, AMD's touched $130 within the past, I don't know, month. I think that this is a very attractive leap option to hold on AMD. Not a lot of risk in this. I see the stock going up a lot with the break even at expiration at 133. I feel very confident about that. Definitely need to come up with the capital for it, but AMD is a stock that I want to hold longer than this, so this would be in addition to the shares I have. But yeah, I think that this is a very good opportunity to buy a AMD Leap option. I mean, it is expensive. It is expensive. But I mean, these are gonna hold a lot of leverage, and I mean, I have high hopes with AMD and them as a company, so I'd be happy to own. I think this is the one that I'm looking at most, is the $90 AMD strike, with the $90 strike price AMD call option. So yeah, I mean, those are just some of the plays I made today. Besides that, I didn't sell anything. I didn't buy anything. I just sold my Nvidia stake. Not the best day to sell it, but it was to buy a call for that company. So yeah, I mean, another stock that has been doing pretty good for me in the portfolio actually is Estee Lauder. While the whole stock market was down, they rallied, and I mean, they've been going up a lot recently. Just 13% this past month. That did have a big drop, but that's when I bought in the past 3 months. I got in. So my average price, $64. Yeah, that's just about where I got in. So I mean, it's been good. I mean, they went up a lot, dropped a little bit. They're back up there right now. So yeah, Estee Lauder is a very good company set for the long run. I think that I mean, I know they dropped a lot from their peak. They were at $370. But yeah, I mean, I think they're looking for new management, I'm pretty sure, so that can definitely change the trajectory of a company like this in the retail space. Makeup, they own a lot of top brands, and they actually pay a pretty hefty dividend, this company. I like their dividend. And I think they're trading at a relatively low, yeah, their valuation is pretty low for what I think this company has to offer and the growth that they could have in the future. So yeah, guys, I mean, basically, I wanted to make this video to kind of talk about this Nvidia call that I have. If this does hold true and stay around this price, then I'm very proud of this call. But like I said, anything can happen, and as quick as it's at 124, it does not have a problem going down to 120. I mean, we can see what would happen if it went to 120. Then I only make $73, and then if it went up $4 to 128, then I'd be up over 50%. So that's the risk you take with buying call options like this. But yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. Very hectic day in the market today. I'm sure a lot of you guys' portfolios dropped a lot. I know that there's a lot of Nvidia shareholders out there. SPY's down a lot, so I'm sure a lot of you guys had a hard day today, rough day. So I'm sorry about that, and I'm hoping for better days tomorrow. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'm gonna be making more videos. So remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.